So here's the thing, lately I went on a crazy shopping spree to get clothes to resell, but my death pile was getting bigger and bigger and bigger. So I decided I am going to divvy up some of these clothes, get kind of like a reset mindset and kind of go from there. I do have 4 ThredUp rescue boxes coming today and tomorrow, so I need to get moving on some of this older inventory here. Most of the stuff that's in this particular box is from another ThredUp rescue box, and I am actually sending these clothes to Flyp. So with ThredUp rescue boxes, the cost of goods are pretty low, like $1 or $2, depending if I have credits or if the boxes are on sale. So it pretty much, if anything in this box sells for anything, I will be making money for it, and I'm doing pretty much no work for it. So with that said, I'm gonna go ahead and show you what is in this box here. This first piece is Anthropology. It is size small. It did come in a ThredUp rescue box. Neon, I feel like, is in. This one is Neiman Marcus. I actually got this one, it was donated to me free inventory. The person that I've been connecting with for like 2 years that's just cleaning out their closet, I anticipate I'll probably be hearing from them soon. They gave me a whole bunch of bags, and those bags have actually been selling on ThredUp, or I've been sending them to ThredUp, and somebody else has been selling them on the platforms, because to be completely honest, it just doesn't bring me joy to sell Victoria's Secret bags. So that's another one new in the bag there. This is Arcadia Beauty, another bag. Probably she got it with, you know, some of the beauty products that she was getting. By the way, when I do officially send this out, I will just put everything in a kitchen garbage bag just to keep it protected and just throw it right back in this box. I just didn't do that yet because, well, I'm showing you what I have in here. This is a Lily Pulitzer for Target dress. It is a size extra large, I believe. This came in some of the free inventory that I was talking about, and this is Victoria's Secret. It's a hat and glove scarf, or hat, glove, and scarf set. This one came in a ThredUp rescue box. It is a White House Black Market, size 0. Just pants there. This one is a vintage piece that came in a ThredUp rescue box. It is actually Larry Levine, but it is vintage. So I was able to label it as vintage in my in my Flyp lot there. See the buttons, that's what I'm trying to show you. Next piece here, I don't know. Oh, this is Chico's Travelers. It came in a ThredUp rescue box. It did have a matching pants. This is like a, I don't know, cardigan. It did have matching pants, but the pants were pretty damaged, so I ended up just sending those ones to Goodwill. This is Lily Pulitzer. It doesn't have the size tag though, but I'm pretty sure it's an extra large. That's what I put it in Flyp as. This is Sanctuary by Anthropology. It's pants, they are size 0. 0? No, they're size 2. This one came from my significant other's closet. It is Adidas Orlando Magic t-shirt. I did label it as Adidas because within Flyp, they don't necessarily take like city stuff like that, but it is Adidas, so I was able to say yes, it is Adidas. This also came from my significant other's closet. This is Michael Kors pants, just dress pants. These also came from my significant other's closet. They are Saks Fifth Avenue. Ooh, never mind. There's elastic that I don't know if you hear, but there's the elastic snapped. So I'm glad I'm going through this because I didn't notice that when I was listing. Those are just going to Goodwill and donation. These are Adidas shorts. This was donated to me by a friend. It is a Zara crop top. It's actually really cute, but it's like so awkward to photograph that I decided that maybe somebody else that has a mannequin or something can go ahead and try to photograph that because I couldn't get it figured out. I know it'll sell, but I haven't listed it because I don't know. It's just too difficult to figure out. That's the beauty in Flyp. Like some of these clothes are not bad, but stuff like that, like I know I'm never gonna list that because I know I can't photograph that well. So I'll just take the little hit on the money with that. These are Aloe Yoga. They are size large. The issue with this one is there's supposed to be a drawstring string on it, but there's nothing there. So that's an issue, but they are aloe, so I think they'll go pretty well. Those did come from a Thread Rescue box. These are Nordstrom with the tag on them, just dress pants for men. Let's see what else. These are Tommy Bahama. These came from my significant other's closet as well. Tommy Bahama shorts. Let's see what else. Also my significant other's closet, Adidas, I don't know, just sports shirt. These are Levi's jeans, men's jeans. I do not like storing men's jeans. That's why they're in here. Not that they don't necessarily go, it's just they take up like double the space in my inventory system and they don't make like double the money. So those go to Flyp. These are Vineyard Vines, men's shorts. Again, my significant other's closet as well. 7 for All Mankind. What I really want you to get from this is what brands they do take with Flyp. So there is kind of like a list that you can follow, kind of like ThredUp. It'll tell you if they accept a brand or not. So hopefully you're just taking notes of the brands. I know I'm not spending a huge amount of time like describing the item because it really does go based off of the brand. You just send literally one picture with the size, and then the person on the other side, the client, whatever you want to call them, decides if they want it or not, and then they go ahead and list everything. This is Ann Taylor. It did come in a ThredUp. No, yeah, it did come in a ThredUp Rescue box, I believe. It's really cute. I want to keep it, but it's kind of like see-through, and I can't wear see-through at work. So I put it in here for somebody else. This is Lacoste, I think is how you pronounce it. I always forget how to pronounce it. Ooh, that's his name. Stain. Okay, never mind. It's a good thing I'm going through this on camera because I can determine things that I didn't see as I was listing these really quick. These are Levi, size 2XL. So basic shirt, but the Levi is a brand that Flyp accepts. These are Adidas. Again, Flyp accepts Adidas. Just loungy, athletic sweatpants, I guess, for men. It's got that like neon. I think those will go pretty well. This is an Ann Taylor Loft Infinity scarf. Got the tag. This is something that was donated to me, so any money is good money. This came from a ThredUp Rescue box. It is Laundry by Shelly Segal. This is one that like I didn't know how to list it, so that's why it's in here. I think it's supposed to be like a body shaper kind of thing. And then finally another like weekender bag, like Victoria's Secret on it. Cute little print, just a weekender bag. So that's everything that I'm sending over to Flyp. You know, not everything is gonna make a lot of money, but like I said, most of this stuff, in fact, all of this stuff was either donated to me or it came from ThredUp. So any money is good money, and I do not have to worry about listing it, shipping it, taking photographs, everything like that. So even though it is a little bit of a hit because most of the time you only get like 35% of the sale, it would be sitting in my house doing nothing. So I'll take 35% over and nothing, and then list the things that I think I'm gonna get a little bit more money for. At least that's what I'm thinking nowadays here. So I really wanna be thinking about how I wanna spend my time, and I would rather spend my time on the items that are gonna give me a little bit more money, because my whole reason for reselling is to have a little bit of extra money to enjoy life, travel, you know, enjoy the finer things in life. And if I am listing these $5 pieces, it's not really getting me to where I want to be. So my ThredUp Rescue box should be here sometime soon. That'll be probably my next video, is me unboxing the next ThredUp Rescue box. So if you're not subscribed and you want to be notified when that comes out, because I know a lot of people really like those ThredUp Rescue boxes, you know, go ahead and hit that subscribe button while you're at it. Like this video if you made it this far. You made it for a reason.